if you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on your OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So in order to use Quick Share, first of all, we need to, of course, make sure that it is enabled on our phone. So we can, for example, open Quick Settings or the Control Center, and at least in my case, by default, I have Quick Share button in here. So I can just tap over here in order to manage Quick Share. And if you open it, you can immediately find the receive and send options, so you can actually choose over here what you want to transfer. If you tap on select, you will open this menu over here, and you can find whatever you want to transfer to another device. And you can also use the share button, for example, if you go through a file manager that you have on your phone, or through photos and videos, etc. I'm going to show you in a second what I mean. And what is also quite important for the Quick Share is that if you tap over here where we have your phone, then we can find who can share with you. So you want to make sure that visibility is enabled, and that this option is set, for example, to contacts or everyone. This actually depends if you have the other device saved somehow in contacts on your Google account, I believe. But just to make sure that you can actually receive or send files, you might want to switch to everyone. For example, for 10 minutes, this should be enough in order to transfer everything that you want to transfer. And if you actually want to send something, then like I said, you can either use the Quick Share menu that we just been in, or you can go to the file manager, for example, the My Files. And over here, if I find something that I want to transfer, then I should be able to, let's say, select the file, and then we have the share button, and we have Quick Share in here in this place. Of course, we can select it, and then you should be able to choose another device that we want to send to. Simple as that. Now, besides that, if you want to, for example, transfer a photo, let's say we're gonna go to the gallery. In this case, we can do exactly the same thing. We should be able to find the share button, and we have Quick Share. So generally speaking, this is how it works. And if you receive something, you will simply get a notification. So you will have the option to accept the transfer or, of course, reject it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.